Spain's Attorney General, José Manuel Maza, who was leading the prosecution of the separatist Catalan leaders, died on Saturday while in Argentina to attend an international law conference. Maza, 66, died in a Buenos Aires hospital, shortly after saying he felt unwell. His death was confirmed by Spain's Justice Minister, Rafael Catalan, and attributed to a kidney infection. The sudden death of Maza deprives Spain of its top prosecutor, as Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy is working to halt a secessionist movement in Catalonia and to get Spain's judiciary to prosecute separatist leaders for illegally declaring the region's independence. Late last month, Maza began the prosecution of 20 Catalan politicians, including the region's former leader, Carles Puigdemont. Maza said that they should stand trial for rebellion and sedition, as well as the misuse of public funds to organize an independence referendum. The vote, on October the 1st, was declared illegal by the Spanish government and courts. If found guilty of rebellion, the separatist leaders could face up to 30 years in prison. Maza was nominated as Attorney General by Rajoy's government a year ago. The government will choose a replacement who will undergo a parliamentary review in a process expected to take at least 3 weeks. Until that is completed, Luis Abadjar, a prosecutor before the Supreme Court, was expected to act as interim Attorney General. Get the latest news and updates emailed straight to your inbox. By submitting your email, you are agreeing to Fairfax Media's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Maza was known as a conservative who put himself on the front line in the fight against Catalan secessionism. In September, he warned Puigdemont in a radio interview that the Catalan leader could be detained if he pushed ahead with his separatist plans. On October the 27th, Spain's government took administrative control of Catalonia, ousting Puigdemont and his regional government, after separatist lawmakers voted for Catalonia's independence in their regional parliament, in violation of Spain's constitution. A few days later, Puigdemont and members of his former cabinet arrived in Brussels, where they have been fighting against an international arrest warrant issued by Spain. In an opinion piece, Catalan, the Justice Minister, said that Maza had been a man aware of the enormous treasure that we have as Spaniards, our constitution. New York Times.